All right, now product FAQs. So this is my favorite thing in Product Pelican. I thought this is going to be much harder for us to build.
Before I jump in, I'm going to just quickly explain why FAQs are important for your product data. And I've just grabbed some info here. So FAQs used to be something that were considered powerful for SEO because it allowed you to submit stuff through and get SEO value out of it. Google actually dropped support for this back in May this year. However, the FAQ scheme is actually really important, and the most important reason is for AI search citations. So yeah, the likes of ChatGPT, Perplexity, and even Gemini are actually using FAQs to read your product content and help link stuff back to your brand. It's also still good for some search engines, and Google's not going to penalize you for having FAQs on your products ever. So there's a couple of really good guidelines here, which is what we've used for building it in Product Pelican. So it has to belong on the product pages. It has to have really definitive answers that are clear and concise, and use good English and not jargon. So we've built this tool here, which will generate it for us. Before we do that and jump into it, I'm also just going to show you, this is a page here. They don't actually use Product Pelican, but I just think it's a great product page. They've done really good FAQs at the bottom of their page here. And you can see here, you've got the, it's asking a few questions about the product. It's a nutritional product. It's got 7 or 8 questions there, and each one just has 1 or 2 sentences. So this is the type of stuff that LLMs love to read. So this is what we're trying to achieve here. So I'm going to jump back into Product Pelican here now. And so you can see we've got all of our products listed on the left here. We also have our GEO score listed next to each product as well. And so if a product has a low GEO score, which I'll explain in another video, we actually don't let you populate FAQs, because if you don't have enough information on your product, it's less likely that the AI tool is going to generate good quality FAQs. So I'm going to click on this product here. It's got a GEO score of 89 out of 100. So now I'm just going to use our Suggest FAQs button. And you'll see instantly it's created a bunch of FAQs for that product. And they're pretty good. It's got some info about shipping. It's got information about the warranty. And so it's using all the information in our store to populate that. So I can just jump in and quickly add a few of those to the product. You can also add them all if you want. And so what this is doing is it's actually storing it in your product. It's storing it in your store's meta objects. And then we have a meta field on the product that then assigns it to the product. So you can also jump in and tweak it if you want. So if you want to go and change something about it, you can go and do that. And then, we'll save it immediately to the product. You can also go and connect existing FAQs. So if, for example, you want to find, this is a sneaker, so find other questions about sneakers. You can see other questions here that might be relevant, and these ones are showing for another product, so I'm not going to do it, but you can just click on those and assign them and reuse the same question across multiple products. We've also got an import FAQs section here too, so if you've got existing FAQs, you can do that. And now now we've done that, we've saved them, it's on the product. We're now just going to jump over and show you what it looks like to implement on the front end. So you do need to add in add a block to your product page. So I'm just going to add it here to the bottom here, add section. You'll see under your app blocks, there's a product FAQs block. So we're just adding that in here. Give it a second to load. And you'll see there, we've got it on the product here immediately. And so you can drag and drop that like any other section. You can change the heading, and we'll add some other settings in here over time as well. You can choose if you want the first one to open by default. And so then we just save and we can view it on our product page. So I've got an example of a product page with it showing here. I also just wanted to show too, I've got the source code for that page here, and you can see here, this is the important thing. We've got all the schema in here as well. So for SEO, I was going to say SEO nerds, SEO people will like seeing this. And this is the schema that gets used by and all the AI tools like Gemini and ChatGPT and stuff that are crawling your product. So that's a really quick demo of it. It's a really fun feature. Jump in and have a play around with it, and hit us up if you have any questions or feedback.